family to work in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was families' businesses have generated employment to Filipino dreaming of a better life by working overseas and provided education opportunities to deserving scholars. The socio-economic condition of their community. The sustainable rubber and ubi production introduced by the family and the fish researchers. The family fought hard and humbly trusted God to keep the relationship strong amid the challenges of separation to pursue and fulfill their dreams.
Maupo tayo lahat.
Families, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. At kapag-pakinabang na kinabukasan ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Hindi matatawaran ang sakripisyo ng bawat ang mabigat na responsibilidad na magtaguyod. Halubilo tayo OFW sa mga biyaya. Dagat na pumapagitan sa inyo at sa inyong mga pamilya.
Unahan ko na po kayo, isang maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much to our President.